If you're looking to start an LLC in Colorado, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm walking you through 6 simple steps you need to do to start an LLC in Colorado. I'm Michael from Collective, the formation, tax, and accounting solution for self-employed people. Let's dive in and get your Colorado LLC off the ground. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a relatively simple, flexible, low-cost legal structure for businesses that offer tax benefits and personal liability protection. Here's what you need to do to start your LLC. Step 1, name your Colorado LLC. The first step in starting your Colorado LLC is choosing a unique name that meets the state's requirements. The name must include the words Limited Liability Company, or the abbreviation LLC, and shouldn't contain any restricted words or phrases. You can use the Colorado Secretary of State's business name search tool to check if your preferred name is available. Step 2, designate a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity that receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC. In Colorado, your registered agent must be over the age of 18, have a physical address within the state, and be available during business hours. You can be your own registered agent, or you can choose a professional registered agent service. Step 3, file the Articles of Organization. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization with the Colorado Secretary of State. You can file your articles online by creating an account on their website and paying the $50 filing fee. Step 4, receive a certificate from the state. After your LLC application has been approved, the state will send you a certificate that formally confirms the existence of your LLC. You'll use this certificate to get an employer identification number, a business bank account, and a business credit card. Step 5, get an EIN. Next, you'll get your LLC an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. Your EIN will identify your business for tax purposes, and you'll use it to open a business bank account and hire employees. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. Step 6, maintain your LLC. As a Colorado LLC owner, you're required to file a periodic report with the Colorado Secretary of State each year. This report helps keep the state informed about your LLC's activities and contact information. The filing fee is $10, and you can file your report online. And that's it, 6 simple steps to starting an LLC in Colorado. There's also a blog post linked in the description with more in-depth information on each step. And if you need more help setting up your LLC, go to collective.com and learn how we can help you with your business formation, taxes, accounting, and bookkeeping. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.